In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to graph lines with a negative slope. The equation of our line is y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 4. Its slope is negative 1 over 3, which means it has a rise of negative 1 and a run of 3. Meanwhile, the y-intercept is positive 4. To graph this line, we want to start with the y-intercept of positive 4. Look at the y-axis. I want you to find positive 4, and I want you to draw a dot. Since the slope of this line is negative 1 over 3, that means it has a rise of negative 1 and a run of 3. Since the rise is negative 1, that means it's not actually rising, it's actually going down. So I'm going to go down by 1 unit, and I'm going to run 3 units like so. I'm going to place a dot right over here. I'm going to repeat this process again and again. You can keep going, but I'm going to stop here. You can now connect your dots with a straight line using a ruler. In our second example, the equation of our line is y equals negative 2 over 5x minus 1. The slope of this line is negative 2 over 5, which means it has a rise of negative 2 and a run of 5. Meanwhile, its y-intercept is negative 1. To graph this line, we're going to start with the y-intercept of negative 1. I want you to take a look at the y-axis, and I want you to locate the number negative 1. I want you to place a dot right there. Since the slope is negative 2 over 5, that means it has a rise of negative 2 and a run of 5. However, since the rise is negative, that means you're not actually going to rise. You're actually going to go downwards, like so. 1, 2. Then I'm going to run 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to place a dot right over there. I'm going to repeat this process one more time. We can now connect our dots with a straight line using a ruler.